This guy thought he could sleep peacefully, but his friend in the skyline wouldn't have it. This guy went to fill up his car and forgot you're supposed to pull the line out. This guy did a wheelie on a vehicle that you can never guess. That's one way to make a lowrider jump. Seems like something from GTA. This driver tried his best to shut the door, but how can you tackle the wind? This guy messed up his car's turbo so bad. This race between two supercars was cut short because one of the drivers shifted in reverse instead of going forward. That's one way to ruin your AirPods. Put them in your car's exhaust. This Subaru Photoshop is so lit. I can't believe that she used the spoiler to keep her pizza box. Japanese vehicles means Tokyo Drift, even if it's a Japanese bus. This dude drifting in the snow behind a reporter will be the most badass moment you'll see today. Poor robber thought he could just rob the driver. Tough luck. The fire upgrade to the exhaust is no doubt one of the most amazing feats to witness. Who gave this guy such a beauty to drift? He slammed the foot pedal like a rookie driver. This guy put a latex glove in the exhaust, and this was one of the funniest videos you'll see today.
All the way.
If your car doesn't have cup holders, no need to fret. Just follow this guy for life-saving hacks. This is just how it is for us car fanatics, no? Trigger warning, don't watch this if you're a car lover with heart problems. Looking at these ruined Supra and Corvettes can make any grown man cry. Just a little more and this beauty is about to fly. Synchronized drifting is better than any other kind of driving. Change my mind. Hey, beauty on the roads. What would you do if you spotted this car in your area? Nothing is better than saving up and getting a new component / accessory for your baby.
Surprise, shawty!
This guy went full savage on a girl who claimed nasty things about guys with supercars.
Bitch. My fucking mileage count is less than your fucking body count.
I want to know who gave this guy a car. He slammed the curb like such a rookie. That raw horsepower is calling for a drift, so what would you do? You comply with it. Is this what heaven looks like? Drifting a Ferrari Monza SP2 with a sweet view. Speaking of snowy backgrounds and supercars, this GT ain't going slow. Green rims, sunset, and beautiful drift. What more do you need? The smoke detector when the supercar gives off tire smoke must be going haywire. Pure luck or Hondas are actually good for drifting. I wouldn't bet my money on a Honda. Tell me honestly, if you saw this diva on the road, would you not drool? The police are telling the GTR to pull over to admire the display, I'm sure. I don't care what this guy did, but I sincerely hope he had insurance because that Audi would be really hideous after the police were done with it.
Oh boy, and he's gonna make it through. Freeway here, 91 freeway east, 91. Oh, and he spun out. And he spun.
The highway was wet and the brakes didn't work in this case. Hope there was no casualties. Who gave this cop a car? The stupid driver ruined both his and a random driver's car.
Ух ты, ё-моё! Фак. Ужас. Вот это, конечно, что-то.
Her face lit up with pure joy with that throttle. This guy ain't lying. Pushing the grocery cart is no less than driving in a race with sharp turns. Raise your hand if you spent most of your check on your baby. Talk about classy. This Corvette drives like the king of the road. Racing with the devil. Demon versus Hellcat. This is one hell of a race to watch. Pun intended. Dope car is sitting in the autumn leaves. There's nothing better than fixing up your own car. How can you complete a list of supercars without including a Lambo? Check out this beast racing. Are these not goals? What magnificent car is pulling on the driveway? Take a pic and hit the road. To each their own, I guess. What's wrong with the girly color if your car has the horsepower to tear the road a new one? Supercar squad of the road for synchronized drifting. That matte purple coupled with an amazing transition will make your day. This video proves that you need to get a miniature version of your car so that you can make sick transition videos. This is no doubt the coolest high five ever done on camera. Keep your car so loud that everyone knows it's you who's in the neighborhood.
No, you'll know when he pulls up. Oh, okay. Is he gonna like call you or something? No, you'll just know when he pulls up. Okay. Okay, that's him. Let's go.
How to be funny and annoying at the same time. Check out this video. It will leave you laughing and disappointed at the same time. You can fake all you want, clone. When you hit the roads with that 30 HP engine, everyone's gonna know it's not a Dodge.
Even rims. What the fuck is this badging? What a fake boy. What a fucking fake boy. Holy shit, this is bad.